Welcome to a very foggy Camden, where we are looking at the final work on the project here at Acre Grove. So it's Sunday the 29th, it's the last day of the closure on Thameslink. You can see the new bridge has been constructed ahead. There's the bridge there. So you can see the new bridge there has been constructed. Hasn't got the deck on it yet. Massive crane. Fog in the distance. That bridge looks pretty complete now. The road is going to be closed for a few days yet. Amazing what they've done here. In just a week really, 9 days the road's been closed for. And 2 cranes still there. Would show a view into London, but not really possible today. Spin around. Let's just see how dense this fog is over Camden and London. Yeah, that's the site today. Parking still suspended in places nearby, but it'll soon be restored. But yeah, that's the end of the video here, the end of the series, the 2 videos I've done on Acre Grove. Queuemaster's put up a few more showing the demolition, which we missed. Network Rail have also put up some really interesting videos showing the site and the bridge beams being put in. So if you want to see those, check out there. Very quick trip to St Albans here, just to have a look at the final bits of the work that's going on before the line reopens. That new bridge now in place. All the other equipment's gone off the line now. A couple of lights still in place here. Very foggy today. Just working, checking the lines. Ready for the first services to run tomorrow. So on this other side where the bridge is. The end of the works, and you can see the fog there, so we're going to call it a day there. Can't see anything in the distance. That's our new bridge, well in place, ready to be used, and a job that there'll be very little fanfare about to the general public. Completed on time by the look of it. Ready for services to resume as planned.